What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your iPhone device in here heating up. Okay, you might be in a situation where you do have your iPhone stuck on this pop-up which says temperature, iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it, or you might simply be experiencing your phone simply heating up constantly every single day or once in a week for various reasons. In today's video I'm going to break down to you the reasons that cause your iPhone to heat up and what you can actually do in order to sort it out or to solve this problem. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's video in here, I would like to let you guys know that normally your iPhone gets to this message or pop-up for security purposes. If you are in this scenario, you might be annoying and be like, hey, why is this happening? I need to use my phone. But trust me, this is for a good purpose. It's for safety purposes, to avoid your phone exploding or damaging other components. We know that our battery is made up of lithium, and this is highly inflammable. So it's important for you to make sure you keep your iPhone aside whenever your temperature rises way too much. So if you see this pop up right here, it's because you are exactly at the limit and you should keep your phone aside. Now, please note that the ideal temperature for your iPhone to process or to work is from 0 degrees Celsius all the way to 32 degrees Celsius. If it's anywhere above 32 degrees Celsius, your phone is not in a good condition to work and it will start lagging or becoming slow or something like that, and that's the normal behavior of a heated up phone. Your screen will also dim a bit. You won't be able to use it at full clarity just to prevent it from heating much more. Now, the very first thing that I would recommend you guys to do is to lock your phone. Remove your phone from the case, okay? This is very important. And then you want to keep your phone aside. There's not much that you can do, but you want to keep your phone aside at a cool temperature, especially if you have an iPhone with a metal body, okay? You want to keep it like somewhere where you do have a fan turned on or something like that. Avoid fridges at all costs, okay? Do not keep your phone inside the fridge. Keep it on a regular temperature, not something extremely low, otherwise it's going to be a very huge contrast. You want to keep it cooling down slowly and slowly. This will take you 15 to 20 minutes and your phone will be up and running once again. Now, this might have been because you've been exposed to a sunny environment, or you are in a different location where the temperature is very high, especially if you are, for example, in the desert or in high temperature environments. This is common to happen. Now, if this happens on a regular basis, like every single day, and you're not in a very high temperature environment, I would recommend you guys to perform a forced restart here on your iPhone, which is something that may help your phone processing in a much better way. And in order to perform a forced restart, if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, all you need to do is simply rapidly tap on volume up and then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. There we go. Let's wait for a couple more seconds. I'm pressing and holding the power button. There we go. Wait for a couple more seconds, and here we go. Once you see the Apple logo, let go the button and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, what this does is it cuts all the power from your motherboard and it completely reboots your iPhone as if it was in a deep sleep. This helps out calibrating your phone, fixing a few bugs that you might be having from time to time. So I would recommend you guys performing a forced restart once in a while, every 10 to 15 days. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button. You want to press and hold them continuously for 5 to 7 seconds until you see the Apple logo, and then release the keys combination and let your phone turn on. Now, if you have a much older phone such as an iPhone 6 or an iPhone with a physical home button in here, you want to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button in here. Press and hold both of the keys combination until you see the Apple logo, and then release the keys combination combination to let your phone turn on normally. Now, please note that in much older devices such as an iPhone 4 or 5, the power button is actually located here at the top. So in order to perform a forced restart, you want to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button at the top. Press and hold for a couple seconds until you see the Apple logo and then release the keys combination, and that's how it goes. Now, if forced restarting didn't help fixing the problem, like in the next days, if it keeps on facing the same issue, then something might be happening with your phone. Your phone might be full and it's over processing to clear some cache and logs regularly, and this might be affecting. So check your storage as well by simply hopping into settings real quick, scroll down all the way to general, and then tap on iPhone storage. Over here, you want to double check if you have some free space. Doesn't make a lot of sense at the beginning, but trust me, this actually helps out. Your phone might be running out of space, and when it's running out of space, it keeps on processing from time to time. And this may be actually eating up a lot of battery and ends up heating up your phone in here. And also note that heating up your phone is not something good, because if you have your phone constantly heating up, this will degrade your battery life and battery health. Your battery was made to be under a specific temperature, which is below 32 degrees. So make sure you actually take good care of your phone. Another thing that I wanted to explain to you guys is you need to try to understand if there's a specific cause causing this. For example, if you regularly play games on your phone and it heats up while gaming, that's the common reason and makes sense. Now, if you are simply performing normal tasks and it keeps on heating up, then you need to get worried about it. Double check if you're not using any augmented reality apps, which are apps that also make your phone over process or process in a much high peak situation. Also, if you're using your camera to record the video for the next 2 hours or 3 hours continuously, it's normal to drain your battery and it's normal for your phone to heat up. So analyze what you're actually performing, and if you want to perform something very extreme, such as for example gaming constantly for hours, you can actually buy a few fans on Amazon that you put here at the back and they keep on actually cooling your phone. Okay, that's for people who are performing extreme processing here with your phone. But if that's not the case, then no need to get one of those accessories. So this is a common problem where the solution is simply to wait. But if it keeps on happening regularly, this is something that you need to check at an Apple service center if none of these steps that I've showed you today helped fixing the problem. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.